In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a 30-day free trial for Canva Pro. If you've been using Canva's free version and are curious about the added benefits of the Pro version, this step-by-step guide is just for you. I'll walk you through the process, ensuring you make the most of the free trial offer. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Canva main menu. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply open your web browser and type in Canva in the search bar. Click on the official Canva website link to navigate to their homepage. It's where all the magic happens and all your creative projects begin. Now, once you're on the main page of Canva, let's focus our attention on the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Try Pro for 30 days. This is your gateway to exploring Canva Pro without any immediate cost. Give it a click. This step is not just about starting any trial, it's about giving yourself the freedom to explore superior design tools with no upfront commitment. Next up, you'll encounter a button that says, Start My Free Trial. It's crucial to understand that although you're signing up for a trial, you do need to select a plan up front. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. This is just part of the procedure to ensure you have continuous access once your free trial concludes. Go through the plans on offer, consider the features of each, and select the one that aligns with your anticipated needs. Upon making your choice, click Next. Afterwards, you'll be prompted to select your payment method. Now, I know this might raise a few eyebrows given that this is a free trial, but rest assured it's standard to secure a payment method for future use, ensuring a seamless transition from free to paid if you decide the Pro features are right for you. Once you've entered your details, you'll be redirected to a secure payment channel. It's a safe and straightforward step to finalize your trial access. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully signed up for a Canva Pro free trial. What awaits you now is a whole new array of professional templates and tools ready to enhance your creative projects. Don't forget, you have a full 30 days to play, design, and decide if Canva Pro suits your needs before any charges are incurred. Enjoy your newfound editing capabilities and let your creativity shine. If you have any questions or run into any hitches, Canva offers extensive support to guide you. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.